On the 6th of February, Syria and Turkey were hit by dual earthquakes, killing over 50,000 people while affecting over 10 million, leaving many thousands homeless. At Deploy, we created a social call to action with the donation of 3 14,000-liter water tanks, receiving 28 million views overnight. Utilizing crowdfunder Co-UK, over 250 supporters donated funds, affording 5 14,000-liter water tanks, with a further 7 donated by NGOs and private companies. Within a week, 7 water tanks had been airshipped and deployed from the UK to Turkey, with locations including Samandağ, Iskenderun and Defne. During installations with the aid of volunteer support, a further major 6.4 aftershock hit Defne Hatay, leading to the deployment and installation of an additional tank for the Support to Life Association in charge of water, sanitation and hygiene activities. With multiple installations completed within a week of the call to action, water tanks were installed for urgently needed emergency soup kitchens and displacement hubs, with over 98,000 liters of water storage provided per day. Continuing support, Deploy continues to now install a further 8 water tanks in additional cities within Turkey.